Structural analysis one, types of support for plane structures. That is what we are on right now. We are still on the introductory part of structural analysis. So now we are going to look at the types of support for plane structure. Lately, we have been talking about plane structures, plane structures, plane structures. What are the types of support we use for these plane structures? Now, they are categorized into two. All right, we categorize them into three rather. We have the first category, the second category, and the third category. All right. Now, the first category is comprises of nothing but the roller support and the rocker support. All right. The second category has the hinge support, and then we have the third category, which has the fixed support. All right. So stay tuned as we look into all of this. All right. So I'll be drawing the diagrams on the board, even as I explained the diagrams of this support and their free body diagrams. All right. So we have number one, which is what the first category. Under the first category, we have our roller support. All right, we have roller support. Now, how do we draw a roller support? We draw a roller support. All right, so this is the diagram of a roller support. Look closely for the diagram of the roller support. We have this. All right, we have take note of this. This is a roller support. We'll have something of this nature. All right, so this is the diagram of a roller support. Now this is its free body diagram. All right, so we have um, a reaction here. So this goes to tell you that a roller support will produce just one reaction, and it's vertical, which is what? Upward. A vertical upward reaction is what a roller support will produce. Now this is still the first category. The second support under the first category is called the rocker support. So I could just bring it here. We have the rocker support still under the first category. Under the rocker support, these are the diagrams we have. We have this. All right, look closely. All right, take a good look. We have something like this. Yes, we also have something like this. We have something like this. All right, then we have uh, this and this. All right, then we have this. All right, we have this. All right, then we have this. All right, this is a rocker support. It will also produce what? An upward reaction. So take note of that. We have a roller support and a rocker support in the same category. Both of them will produce what? Upward vertical reactions. Single upward vertical reactions. So take note of that. Now this is the first category under types of support for plane structures. On the second category, okay, before we go into the second category, we still have the last type of support under the first category. We've talked about roller, we've talked about rocker, we are going to talk about link. All right, so we have link. All right, so under link, we are going to be looking at the diagrams of this support. All right, so first we have this diagram. All right. All right, we have something like this. Pay attention to all of this. They are very, very important as we proceed in structural analysis, you are going to be seeing more of this. So it is expected that you might have known the basics before you go into the advanced part. So take note. So we have something like this. All right. So this is what we have. Then, of course, you agree with me that we are going to have an angle here. All right. We are going to have an angle here. Do you see that? All right. Now let's look at how the free body diagram is going to be. All right. So we have for the free body diagram, we're going to have the link here. All right. This is what we have. Right. Then we have the link. Right. And we have the reaction. Right. We still have our angle and then we have the reaction. Now you have to note that the reaction will always be in the direction of the link. Take note of that. So now we have looked at roller support, rocker support, and link support, which are under the same category. All right. Now the next category we are going to be looking at hinge support. That is the only support that falls under the second category. So we have the second category. For this second category, we have the hinged support. How does a hinge support looks like? All right, we have the beam here, and then we have the hinge support. All right, so this is the diagram of a hinge support. How does its free body diagram looks like? All right, so we have here, we are going to have an upward reaction. We are going to have a vertical reaction. Now, from the free body diagram, you agree with me that for a hinge support, you are going to be having two reactions. All right, one going vertically and another one, and the other going what, horizontally. All right, so this is nothing but what, ry, and this is nothing but what, rx. So for a hinge support, we are going to have what, two reactions. Take note of all of this, please. Now for the last category, we are going to be looking at fixed support. For the last category, we are going to be looking at fixed support. All right, so we have fixed support. All right, now how do a fixed support looks like? How do a fixed support, this is the diagram of a fixed support. How does its free body diagram looks like? All right, so this is what we have, and then we have a vertical reaction. a horizontal reaction, and we have a moment. So this is nothing but what ry, this is rx, and this is what m. All right. So this is the free body diagram of a fixed support, and this is the fixed support itself. It has a vertical reaction, it has a horizontal reaction, and it also has a moment. So take note of all of this. I mentioned this is about 5. We have the roller support, the rocker, the link, the hinge, and what? And the fixed support. So take note of all of these. They are very, very essential and very, very important. All right. If you want a full course, if you want a full course, that is a full material on any of this, they are readily available. Like I always say, we have them well simplified, well structured just for you. So feel free to reach out to us if you need any of them. And for your private tutoring, we are also open for any of them. So thank you for watching. I'll be back with the this should be the last introductory part before we go into the calculations. I'll be back with the last introductory part on structural analysis 1. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more video.